Well guys, we finally have chosen the winner for our social media giveaway, and we're about to deliver it together with AJ right to the door of our lucky winner. So shall we back it up?
Let's do it.
Let's go, baby.
So we're on our way from LA to Arizona. We are driving to Tom's house. He entered the giveaway and had a really awesome Christmas setup that won the prize. So we're heading there now.
And we're gonna give him our big boy gift, Delta Pro. That's some real Christmas magic happening right here and now. Hey Tom!
Merry
Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Awesome.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You
I can't
are
believe
our
it.
top
Still.
one winner. Top one winner of EcoFlow DELTA Pro, right
Okay.
here. Well,
What, you
shall
wanna
we?
come in, or what would you like to do?
Sure, we can.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, I should have got that door. We've owned this property since '08.
Okay.
We built this place in '12 and moved into it full time in
Awesome.
'15. We were full-time RVers for 10 years, and we've still got our same RV that we lived in for
Very
10
cool.
years.
My mom and dad are full-time RVers
Are
right
they?
now. Yeah, they love it.
Cool. I
Have a
tell
great
that to a
time.
lot of people, and what's that mean?
Shall we unbox?
Yes.
Yeah. Just rip it.
I'll just start ripping if I can get a hold of it when I get this year.
There she is.
We have a handle,
Yes.
so it's more or less manageable.
Yeah,
And you said you have a Delta Max right now?
I do. That's what's running the truck out there.
Shall we check out your setup, your Christmas setup, because that's definitely an award-winning rig
Yes.
right there. What a machine!
What year is it?
66
Wow.
Ford C600.
It's in amazing condition.
Yeah, guy restored it back in Indiana. I talked to him about it. He did a pretty nice job on it.
It's only like 60, 64, 65 watts.
Right.
So it can easily run for another 18 hours like this. And with some solar panels, I think you can make it in pretty much an infinite setup.
What's the battery percentage now?
Right now it's 85%.
Okay, and that's been running for over 3 hours now.
So there you
It
go.
wasn't quite full to begin with.
On a Delta Pro, by the way. So now you're the owner of the Delta Pro. What is your
am.
plan? How you plan to use it?
Well, I'm gonna somehow integrate it into the house and backup power for that for sure. I haven't figured out how I'll connect it exactly, whether it'll be portable, or I probably would really like to wire it in, have it so I can power multiple circuits in the house. And then maybe integrate it into the motorhome as well. Little street rod deal. It's got a 350 Chevy and an automatic in it. It's way beyond what I ever thought it would be like. I wish my dad could see it today, what it's like.
Well, Tom, first time meeting you and being in a garage, being in your house with your family, you give an impression that you live a dream life.
Like I said, I retired in '05. I was 49 then, but we were able to do it. And just felt like we wanted to enjoy our life while we were able to do it, Hopefully you all can do the same thing.
Working on it now.
Great advice.
Working. Shall we?
We shall.
We really do appreciate it. I think tears was coming
Thank
from
you,
his
thank
eyes
you,
when he
thank
told
you
me
very
last
much.
night.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, Merry Christmas to all the EcoFlow followers, Merry Christmas to all the EcoFlow fans, and we wish you all the best in upcoming 2023.